Alright, Sam has dragged me down Humboldt Draw for the second time today. I've been lucky to try to keep up with him. Here he comes down a tough part. Nice job, Sam! How was it? How was it?
Hello, folks again.
Pull your gator down so we can hear you.
Hello, folks again. It's me, Sam Remmer, reporting from Humboldt Draw again. This probably will be my last time reporting here this season.
See it?
So please, pay attention. Humboldt Draw is very, very difficult for my mom. That's all I have to say. So please give my mom a clap of your hands because she fell and I have to go hike up there.
She did not fall. She's right here taping
Thank
you.
you.
Nice
Good
job.